Hello, everyone. I'm Roseanne Hearn with the Hearn Group, powered by eXp Realty. As we kick off a new year, I'm here to give you an update on what you can expect on the 2022 housing market. Let's take a look at the housing inventory. I'm going to kick this off by getting the bad news out of the way first. And no surprise here, but listings are at a record low. I mean, look at Florida. Our inventory is down, we're in the red. I think it's 48%. So it's pretty bad. So what Realtor.com did here was they took December 2020 and compared it to December 2021, which is almost a month ago, but it gives us a good idea and insight onto what's happening in the market. And the national average is somewhere in the middle, around 27%, and it's down 27% from last year. And you can see this all the way across the country. That most of the country is in the lighter brown, and that's somewhere between 15 to 30%. But really, the bad news is we need listings, but the good news is there are buyers out there. So whether you're afraid to sell your home, there's a lot of different out-of-the-box things that we can do to help you get into maybe temporary housing until you find the house that you want to be in. I mean, a lot of people are doing VRBO, short-term rentals. Like I said, there's a lot of out-of-the-box things that we can do to help you get into a house. So I can definitely tell you that the pandemic is not pushing back buyers at all. It's not slowing down the buyer demand. I think this speaks to the health of the real estate market. It's not slowing down. It's really just actually speeding up. As a matter of fact, showings still continue to crush pre-pandemic numbers. This is a look at showings over the last 5 Novembers coming from Showing Time. And as you can see, the gray area is the normal years. That's 2017 through 2019. 2020, there was just a big jump in buyers, and we saw that in 2021, and it continued through the holidays, which where normally you would kind of see a little lull. We did not see that, especially here in Florida. Actually, it was very, very busy holiday season with the buyers. So where's the opportunity for you in this market? It definitely lies in the opportunity of home equity. The lack of insight around home equity presents an opportunity for real estate professionals who are always looking for touch points with past clients. Do you know how much your home is worth? Do you know how much you owe on your home? That gives you equity. CoreLogic's third quarter report came out, and it said that every person with a mortgage has an increase of $57,000 in equity on their home. And that's a 31.1% year-over-year increase. What can you do with equity? You can upsize and get a bigger house, or maybe you're retiring and you can downsize and take that money and use it as a nest egg. More people right now are buying homes. Rent in the major cities is skyrocketing. I mean, even here in Jacksonville, our rent is historically high. So it's much cheaper with the lower interest rates that we have to buy a house than rent. So what can home buyers expect in mortgage rate projections this year? You can see here that Freddie Mac, Fannie Mae, MBA, and the NAR are all saying that every quarter we are going to see an increase. So there's going to be 4 increases over the year, somewhere between 3.5% to 4% in the second half of the year. We're seeing a lot of volatility even as we speak in the market. But I do believe we are in an upward trend. In the last 10 years, we've been between 3 and 5% on a 30-year fixed loans. So we're still having great home financing right now, and that's what buyers can expect to see as they enter the home buying process. McClare Bolton Smith from CoreLogic sums it up by saying, so overall, I do think that 2022 will be another strong year for housing, albeit a little bit higher mortgage rates, and we do think home sales will continue to rise and actually reach a 16-year high in 2022. So to wrap it up, no doubt across the country, we're seeing a lot of things happening in real estate. Buyers are out in full force and we need more inventory. So thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more market updates and other real estate related videos, please subscribe and I will see you next month.